just when you think you're getting somewhere. So we got the carbs on. I showed you that it ran. And I thought, all right, we are going to take off the auxiliary fuel tank and hook in the original fuel tank that came with the bike. So let me see, go around this wire here. If you can tell what might be a problem here. First of all, this tank's not even sitting down where it should be. Do you see this fuel petcock here? Yeah, it's like in the way of the frame. And to get the gas line, now number one, this is the gas line that came with the bike. This is automotive fuel line. It does not do corners very well. So what's happening is, you got to come up from the carbs and then go downwards and then back up into the fuel tank. This fuel petcock is probably aftermarket or from a different motorcycle. All I can tell you is it's not working very well on this motorcycle. Oh boy, I don't know. This is definitely not the one for this bike. So if this would work, I would need to use motorcycle fuel line, which I have, and I would do. But I doubt very well that this is going to make life very easy. I don't even know that that's going to fit in here. Second thing I noticed, when the bike was running, it was pretty rough. And I tried adjusting it, tried getting the idle adjustments there, and I just could not do it. Well, I didn't make any adjustments on the throttle when I installed the carburetors. I just got the lines on it and I went for it. Come to find out, there is no free play in the throttle. So that's instantly coming on, which in resting position is holding the throttle plate or the butterfly completely open. So it's letting way too much air through, and when I realized that, I haven't tried to go in here because of these multiple situations. So I'm going to pull this gas tank off, and I think I'm probably going to order a different fuel petcock. One that would actually work on this bike a little bit better. I might try to get this one to work in the meantime, but until then, I can have a new piece on the way. I need to adjust the throttle down here so that when it rests, it's actually resting. So that's what I got to do on this bike at this time. So I'll try to get some footage of that for you. And obviously it ran, so we're good there. Just got to make some adjustments and get into the nitty-gritty. So let's see how we do.